Okay children, you are ready with the textbooks. Page number 35, our textual exercise. As the lesson I have explained you, I hope everybody understood the lesson and all the points. Now let's start with the question A. Choose the correct option. Name the place also known as Pink City. Ajmer, Jaipur, Pushkar and Udaipur. The answer is Jaipur. Jaipur is known as Pink City and it is also the capital of Rajasthan. Name the harvest festival of Rajasthan, that is Ghangaur. Okay, Ghangaur is the harvest festival of Rajasthan. Name the hill station of Rajasthan: Bikaner, Barmar, Mount Abu, Jaisalmer. Answer is Mount Abu. Mount Abu, situated on Aravalli Hills. What is monsoon festival known as in Rajasthan? Tirthraj, Tej, Ghangaur, Ghumar. That is Tej. Now it's the time to celebrate Tej festival in Rajasthan. Monsoon is started. Where is Dilwara temples located? Mount Abu, Ajmer, Pushkar, Udaipur. Yes, right answer. That is Mount Abu. Dilwara temples are located in Mount Abu. Okay. Now, after this, now question number B. Move on to question number B. Filling the blanks. Dash range runs through Rajasthan. Which range? Aravalli. Aravalli range, which is situated on Mount Abu, runs through Rajasthan. Dash and dash are main occupations. This was number 1. Number 2, agriculture. Agriculture and cattle rearing. Cattle rearing. Cattle rearing means herds, the Banjaras. They are keeping herds with them. Herds means cattle rearing. Dash canal provides water for irrigation. Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal provides irrigation. The Ghumar and Dash are popular folk dance of Rajasthan. Which another dance with Rajasthan? Ghumar, Kalbelia. Number 4. Kalbelia. Ghumar and Kalbelia are the popular folk dances. Folk dances of Rajasthan. You have to complete this like this. Okay, in the first blank, Kalbelia are popular folk dances of Rajasthan. Now, let's move on to the question number C. Write true or false for the following statements. The capital of Rajasthan is Jodhpur. Wrong. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur, known as Pink City also. Many lakes are found in Jaipur. No. People live in flat roofed houses made of bricks. Yes. Okay, it's a correct answer. The people of Rajasthan, when they construct their houses made up of red stone with the brick, and their roofs are flat. Okay. Now, Ghangaur is a popular dish. Wrong. It's not a popular dish. It's a festival. Now answer the following questions. Which city is called the Pink City? Jaipur city is called the Pink City and it is also known as the capital of Rajasthan. Name any 5 cities located in Rajasthan. Barmar, Bikaner, Ajmer, Pushkar. Okay, these are the cities located in Rajasthan. Who are Banjaras? Banjaras are the nomadic groups which move from one place to another with herds in search of grasslands and food. And another name of the Banjaras or the nomadic groups is Caravan. Why is camel an important mode of transport in desert? Camel is an important mode of transport in desert because it can survive without food and water for so many days, and it plows the fields and it carries heavy load. Describe the clothes of Rajasthani people. In Rajasthani people we have to write in the two forms. Number one, women are wearing lehenga or chaniya choli and dupatta. Men are wearing dhoti, kurta and turban or pagdi. Understood? But I have given you some other questions also in your notebooks. Okay. Why do people of Rajasthan eat more lentils? Why they are not growing the vegetables? Because very less vegetables are grown in the desert because of the sandy area. That's why people of Rajasthan eat more lentils. Now, how has the Indira Gandhi Canal changed the life of the people? The irrigation facility provided by the Indira Gandhi Canal has given a help to the farming in some areas of the desert, and this canal also turned the area into a greenery to some desert places. Okay, so this was all about your textual exercises and explanation of the lesson. And if you remember, I have given you one activity to do in your SS practical book. That is this activity. If you remember, I have given you, and I have given one sample picture also I have drawn here. So either you can draw this, copy this, or you can draw according to your own ideas a scene of the desert in which you have to show mostly all the things: sand dunes, camel, date palm, cactus or oasis, or the people of the desert in their particular dresses. Everything you can do, okay, according to your choice, or this. I hope you have done this also. With this, our lesson number 6 is also completed. The explanation, I hope you have understood all the 4 lessons, lesson number 1, 2, then lesson number 5 and 6. Okay, thank you.